I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty cool. And I think there are about 437 different ways I can go from here combining op art and isometric shapes. Now, I had intended on introducing isometric shapes this week, and I still might. But Saturday, during what was probably our first and only MacLab Saturday School of the Year, for the first time since I started teaching in 2002, I was working on op art. And then I saw Sierra's DPE. Just awesome stuff she's doing. And I intended to do her tutorial, and I'll link to it, and make my own space scenes with nebulas in them, cool background imagery we can make in Photoshop. But as usual, I followed my muse, and she led me in a direction I didn't expect to go. I want you to be engaged. We're going to talk about this. This is Going Pro 103, the third week of Going Pro after doing our research. At this point, there's really no excuse for not having your design car in gear and driving it in a new direction. But like I said, we're going to talk about this in class, and I want you guys to understand this is easy. Easy. And I love how this can be the bottom of this rectangle. This is such a cool optical illusion. And it's not dialed in all the way. And it can go a lot further. But I love this. And this is utter simplicity. All right, you guys, please understand the time is now. Let's get going. Let's make some amazing art and ship, package, and get our stuff out there in the real world on Design Cuts, on Creative Market.